Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am Dr. Mrs. Vasanti Revatkar explaining about the cereal maize, commonly called as the botanical name of the maize is chia maize, and it is nothing but the part of economic botany. Maize is also known as corn. It is cereal grain first demonstrated by indigenous people in southern Mexico about 10,000 years ago. The leafy stalk of the plant produces pollen inflorescences and separate oviviparous inflorescences called ears that yields kernel or seeds, which are fruits. These are the diagrams about the life cycle of this plant. This is plantlets of showing inflorescence, and these are the complete harvested plant. Maize, botanical name of maize is chia maize, is the second rated grain used collectively in the form of foodstuff or fodder. Globally, maize is known as queen of cereals because it has highest genetic yield potential among the cereals. Grains provide uh, food atoms which are consumed in the form of starch. Cornflake also glucose. Starch cornflakes also they are called as glucose. It is also used as animal feed in poultry. Maize can be cultivated in any soil as they require less fertile soil and various chemicals. Moreover, it faces less ripening span, that is of 3 months, in comparison to paddy, which takes 148 days. By growing maize, farmers can easily shield the deteriorating grade of soil, preserve 90% of water and 70% of potassium as compared with paddy, and can make more profit than wheat and paddy. Reported by Vice Chancellor, Punjab Agricultural University, Ludhiana. It serves as basic raw material to thousands of industrial products like oil, starch, alcoholic beverages, etc. Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Punjab are the major maize growing states. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka is major producer of maize in south. This is about the plant, and these are the maize grains. Maize was first major cereal crop in human civilization to be affected by hybridization. It is the most widely distributed crop of world, being grown in diverse seasons and ecologies with highest production and productivity among food cereals. It is grown in about 166 countries, occupying about 165 mega hectare area with production of more than 800 million tons and productivity of 5.1 tons per hectare. It is used worldwide for about 3,500 products of different uses as feed, that is 61%, food as 17%, and also served as a source of basic raw material of number of industries, that is 22%, for starch, ethanol, oil, alcoholic beverages, food, sweeteners, pharma, cosmetics, etc. No other cereal can be used in such many ways as maize. These are the hybrid varieties of maize which can be seen easily by their grains, color of grain, then size of grains, and also they vary in the taste also. The soil required for this maize crop: fertile, well-drained, alluvial or simply red, loamy, free of coarse elements, and full of nitrogen are ideal soils for maize cultivation. Maize can be grown on wide range of soil, including loamy sand and clay loam. Definitely, Depleted plains are effective suited to the cultivation, even though it grows up in various hilly zones equally. Soils with fine organic matter containing good water holding capacity with pH ranging from 5.5 to 7.5 means acidic media are required to increase yield. Heavy clay soil is not suitable for cultivation. Soil test is necessary to know the deficiency of any nutrient in the soil. Then for the for this production of maize, land preparation is also important. For cultivation, selected land should be free from weeds and remains for previously grown crop. Plow the land to bring the soil to fine tip. It may take 6 to 7 plow. That is floor. Apply 4 to 6 tons per acre of well decomposed cow dung across the field. Also apply 10 azospirillum packets in the field. Prepared furrow and ridges with 45 cm to 50 cm spacing. Then sowing. Time of sowing. In Kharif season, crop is sown in the month of May and to June corresponding with the onset of monsoon. Spring crops are sown during the late February to end of the March. Plantation of baby corn can be done all the year around except December and January. Kharif and Rabi seasons are best for sweet corn sowing. Then spacing to obtain higher yield along with the resource use efficiency, optimum plant spacing is the key factor. For kharif maize, use spacing of 60 into 20 cm. For sweet corn, use spacing of 60 into 20 cm spacing. Baby corn, use 20 into 20 60 into 20 cm or 60 into 15 cm spacing. Popcorn, use 50 into 15 cm spacing. And for fodder, use spacing of 30 into 10 cm spacing. Sowing depth. Seeds, seeds should be sown at the depth of 3 to 4 cm for sweet corn cultivation. Keep depth of sowing to 2.5 cm. Method of sowing. Sowing can be done manually by dibbling seeds or by mechanically with the help of tractor drawn ridger seed drill. Then harvesting. It should be done when crop's outer cover turns from green to white. The optimum time of harvesting maize is when the stalks have dried and moisture of grain is about 17 to 20%. Drying space or equipment should be dry, then clean and disinfected. That's the sweet corn harvesting. When the crops become nearly to maturity, examine a few years daily to determine the time for the first picking. Corn is ready for harvesting when the ear is full size for the variety, has a tight husk and has somewhat dried seed. The cornets are fully developed and exude the milky liquid when punctured. Delay harvesting causes reduction in sugar content. Whether harvesting is done by hand or machine, sweet corn should be collected at night or early in the morning. Then for baby corn, ears are harvested 45 to 50 days after emergence when silks are 1 to 2 centimeter long, that is within 1 or 2 days after silk emergence. Harvesting is carried out in the morning when temperature is low and moisture is high. The picking of baby corn should be done once in 3 days and generally 7 to 8 pickings are required depending on the genotype used. For popcorn, leaves ear of popcorn on the plants for as long as possible. If the weather allows, leave them in the field until the husks are dry and papery. Post harvesting, sweet corns must be removed quickly from the field to picking shade, where it should be rapidly sorted, packed, and pulled. It is generally packed in the wire-bonded woolen crates, which can hold from 4 to 6 dozen ears, depending on the size of the crate or ears. In India, almost all 28 states growing maize, but 60% of its area concentrated in six major states, that is Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. Maize is grown in wide range of production environments, ranging from the temperate hill zones in Himachal Pradesh in the north to semi-arid desert margin in Rajasthan in the west to the humid tropical zones in Karnataka in south. This is about life cycle of maize. When we sow the seeds, after that they are for seedling, then seedling will grow, then they will mature, and this is the inflorescence flowering season. Then these are the corns, and after this they will mature, and we can harvest them. Thank you very much.